No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back into the listening room. It's Spencer coming at you with another first listen to the song Monsters by James Blunt. Apparently, this is about the passing of his father. And to be honest, I didn't know James Blunt was even still making music until recently. But this song was recommended to me, so let's jump into it. It's a pretty emotional phase there.
Oh, before they turn off all the lights, I won't read you your wrongs or your rights. The time has gone. I'll tell you good night, close the door. Tell you I love you once more.
Chills, all just down my whole body. I'll tell you I love you once more. Getting that final chance to tell someone how much they mean to you.
Tell you I love you once more. The time has gone, so here it is. I'm not your son, you're not my father. We're just two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're sleeping, I'll try to make you proud. So daddy, won't you just close your eyes? Don't be afraid. It's my turn to chase the monsters away.
Oh my God. I'm not your son, you're not my father. Oh, we're just... I can't remember exactly what it said, but my God. I am lucky enough to have both of my parents around. And I can only imagine that when that day inevitably comes, that I will be equally emotional and messy and all of the things. But I am tears welling up in my eyes watching this. You can tell the place that this comes from for him, a place of deep love, which is really, really beautiful.
Oh, well, I'll read a story to you. Only difference is this one is true. The time has gone. I folded your clothes on the chair. I hope you sleep well, don't be scared. Time has gone.
And just that role reversal, I don't know his dad's situation, but being taken care of to then being the caretaker, your clothes are folded on the chair, like making sure that they know that you're there for them as a caretaker. This is really, really beautiful.
So here it is. I'm not your son, you're not my father. We're just two grown men saying goodbye.
We're just two grown men saying goodbye. That was the line that was escaping me earlier. It's really, really beautiful.
Two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're sleeping, I'll try to make you proud. So daddy, won't you just close your eyes? Don't be afraid. It's my turn to chase the monsters away.
It's my turn to chase the monsters away. Again, becoming that person for your parent. Wow. And I'm assuming that's his. Well, if this was about the passing of his dad, then this is likely an actor, but I'm not super sure.
It's my turn to chase the monsters away. Sleep a lifetime, yes, and breathe.
And he looks really like him, so maybe this is his father, and he just knows the end is near. I am not really sure. I'm gonna have to learn more about that.
The last word, you can feel my hand on your arm. I will be the last one, so I'll leave a light on. Let there be no darkness in your heart. But I'm not your son, you're not my father. We're just two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forget. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're sleeping, I'll try to make you proud. So daddy, won't you just close your eyes? Don't be afraid. It's my turn to chase the monsters away.
Man. I think lost in the message of it all is James Blunt is still an incredible vocalist, a very emotive performer, especially this song. I mean, how can you not? Just a reminder to tell the people that you love, parents, friends, whoever, tell them that you love them. You never know when that will be the last time that you get to tell them that. So make sure that it's that you're expressing that to the people that you love. Wow, what a beautiful song. Thanks for the recommendation. Emotional songs like this are really important, I think. They help humans feel connected to each other in a really important way. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment on what you think I should react next to, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.